Happy 4th of July, Birmingham. So I'm here at the Sloss furnace to come to an iron pour. I've never been to anything like this before, so I'm kind of excited. I think the pour is in about 15 minutes, and then they have another one later tonight. And something about shooting fireworks on the mountain and being able to watch it from here. So this is pretty exciting, kind of different because this is for the Sloss furnace metal arts, and they had us come into this other entrance that I'm not familiar with. So I'm gonna go in and hopefully I can get to this first pour before they do it. You can see there's the visitor center for the Sloss Furnace National Historic Landmark. That's the furnace over there. I don't really know where I'm going, but this is very pretty out here. I've never actually been to this. Got some pretty fountains, some seating area over there. Beautiful view of the city. It looks gorgeous right now. I don't know if you can see these clouds, but they look beautiful right now. So I'm pretty sure I found where I was supposed to go. They've got little forges set up here. They've got one over there. They've got machine, like here's another forge. So I'm pretty sure this is where they do the classes. So I would love to come up here and do one of these. I've not done one yet and I really want to. So this place is pretty cool. You've got some grinding wheels, stuff like that over here. So that's kind of cool. But there's a lot of people over here, so let's go over here and see what they've got going on.
Is this the one that you're sending?
Yeah.
No, of course not.
Got some little pieces of
So we've got the
art here.
We have a coin
really
and
cool, like
an
a fig or something.
Okra.
This one's a mushroom.
There's different.
Some okra. That's really cool. See right over there, they've got a flame going, so I'm guessing that's where the pour is going to be. But they have all kind of other stuff going on. And I don't know what this is.
My other scraper. Which scraper?
Are these for the iron to be poured into?
Yes, sir.
That's really cool.
These are the scratch blocks, and then they got the bowls. I'm forgetting the one.
Wow, cool. I asked someone and they said that the bowls, these are bowls, and then these are little molds, the little square ones, and you can buy those and carve them however you want, and then they will pour the iron in them from over there into your design. So I don't know if you saw a second ago, I showed you, I think this is the cancer symbol, and so that will be poured with iron here in just a minute, and it'll have that design in it, which is really cool. So they said you could purchase those for like $10 or something. Some of these people are really getting creative with their designs. Oh, holy crap. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, and they just have that other one sitting there ready. Wow, wow. You might not can see it, but he just closed that back with it being super hot. I don't know what he closed it with, but literally molten lava coming out of that big flaming crucible into those other pots that are glowing red now. Like I'm impressed. This is amazing. And now they're about to pour it. Whoa. These other guys are carrying it, getting ready to pour theirs as well. Oh, here they're about to pour into the things people carve. A little closer to see. guys are, oh. He just walked by me and that thing was hot. I could feel the heat from 10 feet away. So I actually just went and grabbed a different lens from my car because I couldn't really see up close to this stuff. So maybe the next pour I'll be able to see a little bit better. So this guy over here just started hitting his big stick against something. So I'm assuming that means they're about to start. And they've also got this, getting ready right there. The Sloss furnace symbol on it. And there they come with the second one to be behind it. Oh, whoa, there it comes. Wow, you can see how hot that is. Oh, getting everywhere. They were ready with that second bucket though. Oh my gosh, look at him getting ready to plug it back up. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Wow, just like that he stopped it. Just like that. Wow. So just from walking around for a minute, it kind of looks like this area is set up for like really them to hang out at and them to have some downtime. They had couches, they had you know, places to play darts and cooler and stuff like that. So it looks like these people spend a long amounts of time here, you know, doing their art. And you know, it's really cool, really beautiful stuff. They're supposed to have another something going on here in about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna stick around and see what that's about, and then I'm also probably gonna stick around for the fireworks show. But they also have a big board out here that I'm going to go spray paint, because that's what you're supposed to do. So I just talked to one of the workers and she said they're gonna be doing something like launching fireballs or something. I'm thinking maybe out of that Canon looking thing. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. So we will see. Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and go down there and get a good spot and wait. So I just talked to someone and asked them basically like what was going on and where would be a good place to video from, and he actually set me up with a nice spot. He said if I shared the video with him that he could set me up with a good spot. So I'm right here beside the trebuchet. So it's there. It is that structure that I thought earlier, and then this out here with the chicken head on it is what it's going to be shooting at. So basically what this is that will be basically flinging a huge fireball over at that structure, and when it hits that structure it is supposed to light up and start shooting fireworks and start going crazy. So it might get kind of wild, but it's supposed to be pretty awesome. So you can see that guy over there pouring some gas for the ball that's going to be thrown from that device right there. So how this will work is, I think how it'll work is it's spring loaded, so it'll get pulled and then it'll go whoop, whoo, and throw the fireball right over there. So we will see, but for now I am not going to move out of my spot. Oh boy. That flame's bigger than it was last time.
Yeah, well, it went out last time, so.
More gas. Couple little sparks coming from it. Uh-oh.
You made the kid up.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, they put mortar shells in that, I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that bitch is
Here it comes. Nice. About to light another fireball. There it goes. Nice. Well, there you have it, folks. That was my night at the Birmingham Sloss Furnace Iron Pour. It was a lot of fun. Had a really good time. It was really cool. The artisans here are like definitely professional. They were safe. They did what they were like supposed to do to make sure nobody got hurt. It was really a fantastic time. And I mean, like, what an art, you know? I mean, like handling super hot metal that is literally liquefied. Whoa. So like really cool. I really enjoyed this. But as you can hear in the background, there are fireworks going on, so I'm gonna go try and watch some fireworks, maybe from the top of my car. I appreciate y'all watching. If you would, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and please comment on this video. And if you really like my content, I would love it if you would turn that notification button on. That way you get a notification every time that I post a video, and you can enjoy more of my content. I should be posting weekly. I'm gonna try and do more than that, but right now it's about weekly, and I appreciate all the support from you guys. And stay beautiful, Birmingham.